Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting the essentials in place. Install SMS Caster and verify your account so messages can send. Once done, enter the gateway or API key and set a sender ID that recipients will recognize. This matters for deliverability and trust. Next, import a CSV contact list formatted with phone, first name, and any custom tags so personalization works. Now that your list and credentials are live, move straight to composing a test message and prepare a small 1050 contact trial. You now build the message logic, write templates and insert personalization tokens like first name to boost engagement. Make sure to preview and send tests to yourself. This verifies formatting and links. Then select your send mode, immediate for urgent alerts, scheduled for timed campaigns, or recurring for drip sequences, and set the correct time zone so messages land at the right hour. Finally, configure batching. Split large lists into 501,000 batches to avoid throttling and to monitor results as they queue. You finish by monitoring delivery. Inspect delivered, failed, blocked, and bounced counts to judge campaign health. Once you see bounces or blocks, remove invalid numbers and add opt-outs to your suppression list to stay compliant. This preserves sender reputation. If delivery lags, retry failed messages with adjusted timing or lower batch sizes, and check carrier error codes for root causes. Quick troubleshooting tip. If many numbers show carrier errors, pause sends. Run a 20-contact test across carriers, and adjust your routing or sender ID accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.